Hello everyone, welcome to Max Student. Today I will be solving another C++ problem. So let's jump right into it. The problem states, write a program in which the user enters random numbers of positive integers until the number 0 is entered. The program must determine the largest, smallest integer and also the average of these numbers. So knowing this, Let's start coding. We open Def C++. As you can see here, I have already written the code. But don't worry, I will walk you through it. Before coding, we need to define our variables. Variable x is going to be the values entered by the user. Largest is going to be the largest value entered by the user. Smallest is going to be the smallest value entered by the user. And to print average, we need sum and count. Sum is going to add all the values entered by the user. Count is going to count all the values entered by the user. What we want our code to do is to print enter a number, so the user would know what he should do next. For all the values that the user has entered, we are going to have one largest value and one smallest value. That's why we define largest is equals to x and smallest is equals to x. We want our sum to keep on adding the new values entered by the user, so we define sum as sum plus is equals to x. When the user enters the first value, we want C++ to see it as number 1. That's why we define count as 1. So, in order to keep on entering new values, we need to create a loop. We create a while loop. So the problem states here, the user enters random numbers of positive integers, and positive integers are values greater than 0. That's why we write here x is greater than 0. So it's a loop. That's why we need to print enter a number here also. So let's say, what if x is less than 0? That means x is no longer a positive integer, and C++ will stop right there. But if x is greater than 0, then the code will continue. You can see here sum will keep on adding the new values, the count will keep on going, and in order to print the smallest value and the largest value on the screen, we need to use the if statement. So if x is less than smallest, smallest is x. If x is greater than largest, then largest is x. With this, we close our loop, and we now want to print smallest, largest, and average on the screen. So as you can see here, average we are using here data type double, because we want our average to be as precise as possible. And we end the code here. We are going to run it. And voila, enter a number. This enter a number here is the one I have written here. So we are going to enter a number, let's say 5. Enter the number 10, 100, 90, and let's say 3. and 2. Yes. Oh, sorry. Let's say 1 again and 0. So you see here the smallest value here is 0, the largest value is 100, and the average value is 26.25. So let's check our work. We open calculator and we enter the values. 5 plus 10 plus 100 plus 90 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to 210. So how many values have you entered here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values. So 210 divided by 8 is equals to 26.25. With this, I confirm that we have done the right job. I mean, I'm sorry. With this, then you can see here that the code is 100% uh, working. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please do show some love, and you can find us on Facebook, Mech Student, and like our page. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.